that wasn't a thing either. I still wasn't anywhere.
Alright, so this is hookah water. This is fucking threesome, dragon's blood, and then more dragon's blood, and maybe a little bit more threesome. As you can see, smoke is still inside it, so someone's gonna be a dumbass and drink it. So we're doing like gulp or like
Gulp. Oh Lord.
I love you, Bob. Ah. You talking that shit? I'm
No! You took that shit to the head! Oh my god!
How's it taste?
You drank half of it.
Actually, you know what? It doesn't taste that bad.
Oh god, the threesome! Ah! Ew! No! Put it down. Finish the whole thing now. Just finish it.
Yeah, he had to wash it down with some more.
Wash down his head with a little more hate.
All right, John, how are you feeling right now?
Are you fucking drinking that shit?
Yep, I'm gonna drink that shit.
Christ, Dave.
So,
Oh,
God.
no, get in one.
look at that, has all of our spit in
Oh
it.
god, it's so fucking cold in my stomach.
Warm comes back up.
But my thing is, like, you can feel the shit, like,